So a lot of people think writing a book takes months, even years. But the truth is, I wrote a whole book in a weekend using nothing but AI tools and a simple step-by-step system. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it, the tools I used, the process I followed, and how you can replicate it yourself to publish books faster than ever. Stick with me, because once you see how simple this really is, you'll never look at publishing the same way again. Sound good? Let's dive in. So part 1, the old belief about writing books. Most of us grew up believing that writing a book was a massive undertaking. You'd hear authors talk about spending years hunched over a typewriter, revising draft after draft, and sometimes not even ever finishing. And while that might have been true in the past, it's just not the reality anymore. We now have tools that can help us brainstorm, outline, and even draft entire chapters at lightning speed. The trick isn't about grinding harder. It's about knowing how to guide the process. So part 2, the weekend challenge. So here's what I did. I challenged myself to create a complete publishable book in one weekend. I set aside Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday. That's it. No months of waiting and no endless rewrites. Less than 3 days to go from a blank page to a finished book. The goal wasn't just to see if it was possible. It was to prove that with the right system, anyone can do this, even if you've never written a book before. So let's break down the actual process. Step 1, outlining with AI. The first step was creating a strong outline. I used AI to brainstorm chapter ideas, break them into sections, and create a clear roadmap of what the book would look like. Instead of spending weeks outlining, I had a detailed structure ready in less than an hour. The outline covered 8 chapters with 3 sections each, enough for a solid 25,000 word nonfiction book. This step is critical because the outline is your blueprint. Once it's locked in, the rest becomes plug and play. So now step 2, drafting with AI. Next came drafting. This is where AI really shines. I didn't just say, write me a book. That's where most people go wrong. Instead, I guided the AI section by section. I fed it the outline, asked for 800 to 1,000 words per section, and then refined what it gave me. In a single weekend, I had over 25,000 words of content, something that would have normally taken months if I would have done it myself. And now, step 3, editing and polishing. And now here's the part that most people skip. Editing. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. I spent a few hours on Sunday polishing the draft, tightening up sentences, adding stories and examples, and making sure the book actually felt like it was written by a human. Editing doesn't nearly take as long as writing it from scratch, but it makes all the difference in turning AI-generated text into an actual book that people will read and love. And now finally, step 4, formatting and publishing. Finally, once the draft is polished, I formatted the book for Kindle and paperback for free in Microsoft Word. And by Sunday night, I had a complete professional-looking book ready to upload on Amazon KDP. That's how I wrote a whole book in one weekend. Not magic, not cheating, just a proven system that combines AI speed with human creativity and professional editing. So if you've been putting off your dream of writing a book because you think it takes forever, let this be proof you can do it all in one weekend. And if you want to see the exact system that I use step by step to research, draft, edit, and publish profitable AI-powered books, I break it all down inside my course. The link is right below in the description. Stop overthinking, stop waiting, and finally start publishing. AI has made it easier than ever. You just need the right process. And I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.